Hi everyone, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I am Christian Garcia, Rodan and Fields consultant, mom, and hairstylist. So today I'm going to be making a video of how to do those loose beachy waves. The curling iron that I'm going to be using today is the Paul Mitchell Express Gold Curl, and the size that I'm using is 1 1/4. I think this is a really good size. This is my favorite size to use actually to do any type of curl, and it's worked on my hair when it was about this short, and my hair right now is about mid-back. I would say that the 1 1/4 would be a really good size to use, even if your hair is a little bit longer than mine. Anything longer than your lower back, I would say go up one size to the 1 1/2 curling iron. Full disclosure, I used to be afraid of the curling iron with the clamp because before I went to beauty school, when I used to curl my hair, sometimes I would clip it and just turn it the wrong way, or it would, leave those little dents in my hair, and I wasn't comfortable with it. You can get this look by using a wand, but I just feel like using a curling iron with the clamp, it makes it a little bit easier because the gloves that are included with the wand do not protect your hands. The clamp allows you to keep your hands away from the barrel where it's hot. Let's talk about temperature. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you're using heat protected products. You can either use the ones that go in on damp hair, or you can spray them before you do any hot tools or heat styling to it, but make sure that you are using it. For the temperature of your curling iron, I'd say it would be safe to be between 350 to 360 if you're comfortable doing the curling and the motions and the clamping that I'm just going to show you. If you're just starting out or if you're practicing, I'd say go to a lower setting, 280, just to see what it is to work with the heat, or even you could practice with it off. Do not curl your hair on 410. Nothing over 380, just because I don't want your hair falling off. Okay, so again, before you do anything, make sure that you put on a heat protected product. I have already sprayed that on my hair, and now I'm just going to show you where we're starting. I like to part my hair down the middle. If you usually part it somewhere else off to the side and you don't ever flip it over, then please start with your hair where you want it parted. I like the middle because I think it's cute, and it also is very versatile. So if you want to flip it another way, you can go either way. Take it straight back, right down the middle. So I've parted my hair into two. Before I pick up the curling iron, I want to show you our sections. So this is my grown out bangs, which is going to be kind of tricky styling with the curl. But for the front section, I'm just going to take about a 1 1/2 inch section, and all of the widths of my section, they'll be about 1 inch. The main thing that you want to be sure of is that it's not too thick that it won't be able to wrap around the iron and all of your hair get heated. So our first section again is gonna be my bangs that are growing out. What you want to do is open it, put the clamp in front of your section. You're gonna put it in front, close it, twist under and back. I'll show you that again. That one had to go kind of quick because it's my front piece, and I don't want it too curled because then it'll be sticking up looking crazy. So You see that section? That's about 2 inches long, but again, only about 1 inch thick. I clamp it a little bit over the middle part of the hair, closer to the top, roll it up, unwind, and when I get to the end, I kind of just let it go. I don't curl it all the way in, but I also don't leave it out. This motion, before you put your curling iron on your hair and try to curl your hair, I would practice the unraveling, just so that when your iron is on and you're curling, you don't get stuck and then burn your hair. So this I'm just continuing all the way to the back. Alright, so that side is done. I'm going to move over to this side, just doing the same thing. Both sides you want to put the clamp in front and curl it away from your face. Again, these front sections, I don't want it super curled. I just need it to have some wave in there, but nothing crazy because of the length that it's at. If I held that curling iron to it a little bit longer, it would be too curly and then stick up in really weird places. See that section? It fell out like mid-unwinding. Sometimes it's okay if you feel like you want to go over it again, you totally can. But just the same motion, clamp, twist back, hold, under, and out. Once you're all done curling your hair, let it sit in the curl that it's in right now. Don't brush it out, don't comb it out with your fingers just yet. Let your hair cool down and let it set so that it will hold that wave a little bit longer for you. Also, when it's setting, you want to spray it. Right now, I have a fast dry finishing hairspray. This is not my go-to, it's not a special one. It's just what I have on hand, so let me spray. I will do another video where I can go over products, but this is just my quick out the door, I need to leave soon curl, and I really wanted to show you the motions of how to do it. So once your hair has cooled down and you've sprayed it, you can either take a brush or a comb. I like to just finger comb it because it's easier and it's a little bit less things that you need. But you just work through them, break up that curl so it's not like a perfect curl. And after you've combed through it, if you feel like there are pieces that maybe aren't as curled as you would like them to be, or you know, maybe they fell already, you can go back and recurl them on this side. It's definitely more straight than the other pieces. Same motion, clap, unwind, let it fall. Here's I have to go. Let me do some really quick curls before I leave hair. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and follow my hair Instagram. It's kgstyles.co, and I will see you guys again. Bye!